Hello, good morning, students. Today we start the third lesson of the chemistry. Okay, so from today our teachings, online teachings again starts. Just now our first unit test is over. Okay, so now we studied from today the syllabus of first term. So today we start the third lesson of chemistry, which is matter. So in this lesson we will learn about the matter. What is the matter? Their states of matter. The states of matter, that matter uh, points are also studied in the fifth standards. Okay, and generally that. So states of matters, that is solid, liquid, gas. So we have to study their states, their properties. Okay, so again we learn in this lesson arrangement of atoms or molecule in solid, liquid, gas. Everybody knows that the matters is made up of the molecules and atoms. So how that arrangements in that solid, liquid, gases we have also studied in this lesson. Also their effects of the heat on matters is also studied in this. Okay, so now see, first is the introduction. First you must know what do you mean by water. You must know the what do you mean by water. मैटर क्या है, सॉरी मैटर क्या है, किसको मैटर कहते हैं, क्योंकि ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. सो when we look around us we see many things like the plants, animals, land, water, rocks. Okay, they are the different things in our environments we can see. In when you can see the you are see in the classroom, then also you see the different objects like a desk, chair, book, pen, pencil, bag, whatever that present in the classroom. So they are all of different shapes and size. Okay, उनको उसके शेप्स एंड साइज कैसे रहते हैं, डिफरेंट रहते हैं, सेम रहते हैं क्या, नो. सो these all are included in the non-living things. Some are living, some are non-living. Okay, so naturally some are naturals while others are man-made. कुछ natural रहते हैं, कुछ man-made रहते हैं things. So all these things are part of our environments. But what make up plants and animals? जो plants and animals वो कैसे बनते होंगे? What make up land and waters? Land and waters, that the part of our environments. So what we can think that what make up that land and water. So what make up the desk and chair also? जो नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स है, मैन मेड थिंग्स है, वो भी कहाँ से बनते होंगे? सो ऑल दैट आंसर of that question, sorry, all the answer of that question is the matter. It's called matter. So in fact everything we can think of from the book which we read the in that lessons. So जो भी हम इस लेसन में पढ़ने वाले हैं वो सब हम मैटर के बारे में स्टडी करेंगे. See, you can see the different pictures: chair, desk, pencil, book, shoes, bag, okay, car, different things. These are all are the non-living things. This is the man-made things. Okay, but matter is not what we can touch only, but it also include the air we breathe in, means we can feel it also. So air is also matter. Air is also matters. The sun, the star, the planets in the universe, it all also matters. So therefore we can say that all substance, where whether they are living or non-living, are composed of matters. उनको क्या कहते हैं, matters. So you know that how that matter is created. So creation of matter. So most scientists believe that all the matter in the universe was created in the explosion. साइंटिस्ट का ये कहना था कि मैटर्स जो है वो किससे बने हैं, एक्सप्लोजन से. ओके, इन द यूनिवर्स one time there is a great explosion, big explosion, that's called the big bang. So in that explosion the more amount of energy is evolved, great amount of energy is evolved means release. देखो अभी केमिकल प्रोसेस कौन सी भी प्रोसेस हो उसमें एक तो एनर्जी एब्जॉर्ब होती है नहीं तो इवॉल्व होती है. ओके, सो व्हेन in universe there is an explosion, the amount of energy was released, and then after just a few seconds some bundles of energy turn into tiny particles of matter. उसकी एनर्जी का कन्वर्शन कहाँ से किस में कन्वर्ट हो गए हो, मैटर्स में. सो दैट इज द पार्ट ऑफ आवर यूनिवर्स इन विच वी लिव टुडे. सो in universe there are different energies are heat energy, light energy, sound energy, electricity, magnetisms, chemical energy, nuclear energy. These are the energy form of the energy. So scientists thought that believe that matters are made up from the explosion. So see, matter may be living thing और नॉन लिविंग थिंग. एक तो लिविंग थिंग भी हो सकते हैं और नॉन लिविंग भी है. सो इन लिविंग थिंग्स इंक्लूड द प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. देन द नंबर ऑफ द प्लांट्स इन द एनवायरमेंट्स, सो दैट्स ऑल्सो मैटर. एनिमल्स मीन्स birds, animals, and even human also included. So these are also made up by matter. In non-living thing, natural, some things are natural, some are man-made. In natural, that the air and water included, water, stars. And man-made means that artificial, that things we are used generally, that are the man-made things. So see, let us discuss it one by one. Living matter. The earth is a home to all kind of plants and animals. They can grow, move, and reproduce on their own. Living matter. So living matters means the earth, on earth the number of the kinds of plants and animals are present. They can grow, उसकी growth भी होते, they can move, and they can reproduce itself on their own. Okay, so these are included in the living matters. Non-living matters, most of the matter in the universe is non-living. So it means that it does not grow, move और reproduce. You know difference between living and non-living? हाँ, पता है आपको. लिविंग थिंग्स में क्या होती है, ग्रोथ होती है, मूवमेंट होती है, रिप्रोड्यूस कर सकती है. नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, they cannot move, they cannot grow, and they cannot reproduce itself. It can be natural or man-made. So non-living things एक तो natural रहते हैं, एक तो man-made रहते हैं. So natural matters included, it occurs in nature and can be used to make more useful substance. Okay, in nature the different things are present, and from that we make the more useful substance. Example, wood, coal, silk, water. Okay, from wood we can make different things, wooden things like a chair, table, cupboard, cots, etc, etc. Okay, so the number of the thing, cotton, jute, from cotton we made this cloths. These are useful for human things. So these are included in natural matter. Then man-made matter, it is produced artificially from natural matters. Means man use the natural things to produce the new one things. Means it is produced artificially from natural matters. Example, plastics, soaps, detergents, medicine, glass, nylon, steel, etc. That include all that matters in man-made matters. Okay, so different substances are made up of different kinds of matter. Like a chair is made up of wood, bucket is made up of plastic, book is made up of paper. Even single material can be used to make different objects. Okay, So here the in that topic we studied the types of matter: living, non-living, natural, and man-made. In living things, plants and animals include. In non-living things, that mostly जनरली सम नेचुरल्स एंड मैन मेड, जो हम थिंग्स हमारे एनवायरनमेंट में देखते हैं, ओके, जो यूज़ करते हैं, एनवायरनमेंट देखते हैं, वो नेचुरल है। दैट मैन मेड मैटर्स है, जो हम यूज़ करते हैं थिंग्स, दैट द मैन मेड मैटर्स। ओके, सो ऑल दैट मैटर्स आर द पार्ट ऑफ आवर एनवायरमेंट्स। सो यू नो मैटर, सपोज हमने यहाँ पे गेस किया कि ये सब मैटर्स, ये थिंग्स सब मैटर्स, वेज हाउ इट कैन मेड। देखो अभी हर एक थिंग्स को स्पेसिफिक शेप्स है, ओके, दे हैव स्पेसिफिक शेप्स एंड दे ऑक्यूपाई द स्पेस ऑल्सो, मीन्स हम क्या कह सकते हैं, मैटर क्या है? मैटर इज एनी थिंग्स दैट हैज़ अ मास and occupy the space. Mass means what? Weight. भी देखो चेयर है, टेबल है, इसको कुछ ना कुछ वेट होगा, मास होगा, ओके। सो एनीथिंग दैट हैज अ मास एंड ऑक्यूपाई द स्पेस इज कॉल्ड अ मैटर, ओके। सो in the next period we will discuss about the nature of the matter, what the nature of matter, how that matter is, their properties, how that matter occupy the space. So we can discuss it in the next periods, okay, by the different experiments. Thank you.